Oh, hello there. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the incredible insertion sort. So first I see that the second element is less than the first element, so I switch them. And I move on to the third element, which is a 5. The 5 is greater than the 4, so I keep it there. The 7 is also greater than the 5, so I keep that there. And the 6 is less than the 7, so I switch them. Now the 2 is also less than 7, so I switch. The 2 is also less than the 6, so I switch. Switch. And then I see the 1 is less than a 7, so I just switch. Now it's in sorted order.